students, welcome to my channel Faisal Physics CIS point-to-point explanation, examination point of view explanation. In this video you will be learning a topic why pulling is easier than pushing. This topic is taken from Telangana State Syllabus Intermediate First Year Physics as well as CBSE Class 11 Physics. This topic is very important for board exams. Let us see why pulling is easier than pushing. So we will discuss first of all pulling of a lawn roller by taking the example of a lawn roller, and then we will do pushing of a lawn roller. Then we will obtain final equations for both of them. So from the final equations we will compare. So why pulling is easier than pushing. So for that purpose, first of all we have to consider pulling of a lawn roller. Consider this is a lawn roller and this lawn roller is pulled with a force F in this direction. So when it is pulled with a force F in this direction, this force is making angle theta with the horizontal. Therefore, this force can be resolved into two components, F cos theta and F sin theta. When the lawn roller is pulled with some force F, you can see here there is a frictional force Fr acting in opposite direction. Now, the weight of the lawn roller is acting vertically downwards mg, and the normal reaction is acting vertically upwards. Just by looking at the figure and by using one or two formulas, we can easily get the final equation of pulling of a lawn roller. Let us see how. Simply you see here upward forces should be equal to downward forces. We can use that one. So N plus F sin theta is equal to mg. So from figure we can write N plus F sin theta equal to mg. Now we will write F sin theta on the other side. So N equal to mg minus F sin theta, equation 1. Now we use formula of friction, that is we know that Fr equal to mu r n, equation number 2. Put equation 1 into, put equation 1 in equation 2. Fr equal to mu r, in place of n write this complete value, mg minus f sin theta, make this equation number 3. Now you can see that more than one forces are acting on the object. So here the resultant force concept we have to see when you are pulling the lawn roller. So there will be a net pulling. So that is pulling force, net pulling force, net pulling force F pull equal to, you see here F cos theta is towards right and Fr is towards left. So which one is bigger? Obviously F cos theta is bigger because the object is moving towards right. So F cos theta minus Fr. F cos theta minus Fr will be the resultant pulling force. Make this equation number 4. Put 3 in 4. Put 3 in 4. So F pull equal to F cos theta minus, in place of Fr write this complete value, mu r mg minus F sin theta. Next step, F pull equal to F cos theta minus mu r into mg, simply I am multiplying this one, minus into minus plus mu r F sin theta. F cos theta term and F sin theta term we will write together. So F pull equal to F cos theta plus mu r F sin theta minus mu r mg. This is the final equation for pulling of a lawn roller. Make this equation number 5a. Let us see the second part, pushing of a lawn roller. When the lawn roller is pushed with a force F, this force F is making angle theta with the horizontal. Therefore, this force F can be resolved into two components, F cos theta and F sin theta. When the lawn roller is moving towards right, frictional force will act in opposite direction, that is Fr. Here The weight of the lawn roller is acting vertically downwards mg, and the normal reaction is acting vertically upwards. Now using the same concept, we can write from figure you can see N equal to F sin theta plus mg make this equation 1. So we know that frictional force formula, we know that Fr equal to mu r n equation 2. Now put equation 1 in equation 2. Put 1 in 2. Fr equal to mu r, in place of n write this complete value, that is F sin theta plus mg. Make this equation number 3. Now we have to see the net pushing. Here F cos theta is towards right, Fr is towards left. So the net pushing will be F cos theta minus Fr. Net pushing F push equal to F cos theta minus Fr. Equation 4. So here we are checking for the resultant force acting on the lawn roller. Put equation 3 in equation 4. F push equal to F cos theta minus Fr. In place of Fr write this complete term, that is mu r F sin theta plus mg. Next step, F push equal to F cos theta minus mu r F sin theta, multiplying each term with mu r plus mu r mg. Minus into plus, it will be minus mu r mg. This is the final equation for pulling of a lawn roller. Make this equation number 5b. If you compare equation 5a and 5b, from there we can say that pulling is easier than pushing.